Welcome back to the Fairy House build. We are going to make this a stone house. And once again, I am going to use the egg carton cardboard for that. Now, I know not all eggs come in these cardboard cartons. Surely your store has some eggs that do. These are the eggs that we like to use. And this is the cardboard that I use for my stones. There I have my cardboard ready to go. And then I just take this and I begin to... Now, I don't know if you may be able to see this on camera, but one side of this cardboard has like this texture that looks machined and does not look good once it's been painted. But the other side is this raw texture that you want. So be mindful of that maybe with the cardboard that you use. And then I just take this and begin tearing it roughly and somewhat organically into stone shapes. You know, I want them to be kind of rounded. I don't want any sharp corners or straight lines. But, you know, just start making a bunch of these of varying sizes. Some bigger ones, some smaller ones, and make a big pile of those. All right, as you can see, I just started gluing these on. Some of them do have kind of a straighter edge. I like to put those along the bottom or the top. Not that it matters too much. It's okay if these pieces hang over the edges, because I'll go back and cut them flush as I need to. So like that, I'll cut that little bit off there. And I use hot glue and I just keep laying these on. I find a piece that kind of fits. Maybe you'll need to adjust it a little bit to get to fit in where you want it to. And it's really, and these gaps in between are fine. In fact, they're desirable. When you get this all painted up, that will just be like the mortar between the stones. They do not need to be all flush up against one another. As I said, in fact, these little gaps are part of the aesthetic appeal of this approach. So I'll finish laying all those stones on and then we'll get this thing painted. I have all the stone pieces attached to the sides there, and I'm just going to now apply the old base coat. That is the black paint and matte Mod Podge mix, and I'll come back when I've done that. The base coat is all dry. Now I'm just going to give everything a coat of the Craftsmart tan. Making sure to get down in all of the cracks and crevices with this, but it does not have to be a super thick coat. You may be able to see the base coat still showing through just a little bit. Okay, they're all tan now. My next move is I will go through and randomly select stones throughout and paint them either the gray, the golden brown, or a mix of these two. I'll show you when I've done that. There we have that. Next, I will go over and dry brush everything with the suede. All right, just like that. It already looks a lot like stone, but I'm going to go ahead and go now and hit it with the black wash. And there is the main structure of the house. Stonework all painted up. We'll begin working on the doors and windows and things in the coming videos. Let me know if you have any questions.